There's been a profit warning at Imperial Brands this morning. It's blaming a challenging market and slowing growth in the vaping sector. The FTSE 100 tobacco giant, which has been desperately trying to find a replacement for its slowing traditional tobacco business, said that the environment for its next generation products had deteriorated considerably over the last quarter, amid threats of a regulatory crackdown in the States. This being said, Imperial Brands says its new product categories like e-cigarettes are still nonetheless expected to grow 50% this year. However, that's below initial expectations. Let's take a look at the Imperial Brands chart. We have seen big declines today. We're down well over 10% and not too far away from support at £18.21. The stock started today at just over £20 a share. So Imperial Brands very much under pressure. If you're short on this, your stock would go above the 200-day moving average at around about £22.90. Similar situation as well for American tobacco, which has actually in the last year or so been lower than where we are at the moment. Not too far away from its support line at £23.35. Current bid at £28.49. For more videos from us here at IGTV, join us at IGTV on Twitter and subscribe to our YouTube channel.